Finally, a simple and straightforward way to grow your business. We know you'd rather spend your time on what matters most, making sure the job gets done. That hasn't changed, but technology has, and it's impacting how business is done in your industry. Consider this: 89% of buyers use the internet as part of their research process. People are actively searching online for companies like yours every day. And if they aren't finding you, they're finding your competition. For over a decade, Momentum has helped hundreds of manufacturers and industrial companies across the U.S. Our proven process and reliable team make it easy for our clients to get results. From simple web design projects to global digital marketing strategies, we have partnered with businesses of all sizes to keep them moving forward.
I remember my dad telling me when I was a little kid, work smarter, not harder. That stuck with me, and it embodies what we do here at Momentum.
Building your online presence can be daunting, but it doesn't have to be. No matter what success means to you, we want to be part of it. Make a perfect first impression. Get found first on Google. Generate more leads and close more deals. Partner with a company that gets it and gets you. Contact us today to schedule a free consultation and see what an online advantage can mean for your company.